Welcome to Super Sweet Sketches. Follow me on this creative journey as we explore the world of teddies. And for this picture, we're going to start off in the middle, just with this round rugby ball shape that we're going to do now. So starting off on the side can be very hard to do if you're using a marker. And I'm stopping short just to complete that. I'm going to introduce it just a little bit further down. Okay, so it's not going to be a perfect circle, it's not even going to be a perfect rugby ball shape. But at this point, I'm going to make some nice little shapes here, which you can probably guess. Are flowers. And I'm going to have that tucked in, just like so. Very special gifts. It's long, coming down, and then tucked in, just like so. We're going to now give him a little scarf. He's very well dressed for this special someone. And perhaps now we will actually give him a couple of ears, eh? So his ears should just be about here. Typical bear ears, eh? And the same again on the other side, cute ears. Now his eyes need to be in the centre of the picture, the centre of the face, just about here, just about here. A bit of light reflecting in its big round eyes. This teddy is a very happy teddy. He's got everything ready, he's nicely dressed up. What he needs is a smile, but before we do that, we'll give him a cute little nose. Smile. Okay, so there's Teddy's face. You can make the smile smaller, bigger. And you can adjust things as you wish. With regards to his other arm, we're going to have to just make it the same sort of level as his right arm, just like so. And make it curve round. Teddy has to be nice and round. And what we'll do now is just complete the stomach area. Draping scarf down here. Very fashionable scarf. And the stomach should continue rounded like so. We are now going to just give him the most impressive footprint. And over here, again, impressive footprint. And you want to complete his leg just across like that as well. Alright, this teddy is nearly complete, but he's missing a gift. What should that be? Well, take a look. He's got something hanging above his ear. What's this? It's a very nice balloon. Look at that balloon. That's going to be impressive. What we can do is we can just put a little shape in there as we colour that in later. Okay, we are now going to proceed to colour in the bulk of poor Teddy. It's going to be yellow, nice and bright. And these long sweeping movements will allow us to just have some texture at the end to Teddy's fur. Teddy is very impressed with the gift. He spent a long time looking for those flowers, deciding which ones to get for that special someone. I think he's made a good choice, don't you? And you may see this in some other videos that we do, that there's some separation of the colours, just to give a little bit of white, just to show that there is some light going on. Oh, we forgot his ears. How can we forget your ears, little Teddy? Here we go. Let's not forget your ears. Give it a little bit of shading with some markers. Maybe just underneath Teddy's amazing jawline there. Right, nearly completed the yellow. What we need to do now, proceed for maybe do the flowers. The flowers can be a bright red. Whoops. And what we can do is colour in with a bright red. Just assuming the flowers form a base just over here. Oh wow, we got the red out. We can give this nice little scarf the colour it deserves, which is beautiful red, complementing the flowers. Leaving some white there, and perhaps we'll start off with a balloon as well. Okay, so now we can complete the drawing. The colouring in the feet. Side his ears. Again, we can't forget to see this. Almost happened again. And his little nose be the same colour. And what should we do about that scarf? Should we give him a bit more colour there? And that's a very fashionable scarf, isn't it? Do you like Teddy's scarf? I think it's a good scarf. It's a good colour for a teddy. And what would be great is if you could send in some of your pictures. I'd love to see all those great works of art with all the different sorts of personalities that come through when we draw. Anything missing? Perhaps a little bit of pink for the mouth. And I think we've completed our beautiful little Valentine's teddy.